Here's Element Wallet app, which got some traction. Welcome to Element, the revolutionary digital platform where security meets simplicity in the world of digital messaging and crypto. Element is designed to empower you to build your digital universe effortlessly with a focus on privacy, security, and user-friendly experiences. End-to-end encrypted and on-chain messaging. Pay friends with crypto, explore digital universe. It's a portal to decentralized web. Easy to use app, secure non-custodial crypto wallet. So this app is called like a social finance redefined. So it tends to be like social network, but also using Web3 elements. And so here is the app. Finally, you create your wallet, you create your account, and you just got access to the app. Here is your wallet address. Here is people. You can invite friends. So there is a referral code which you can use here in the app. Then there is chat. You can activate encrypted messaging. And then, yep, so it seems it's working. So yeah, this app was for some period in the top chart. Now it's I'm on top 300 social networking apps in US. But yeah, here you can also have some other apps. You can message people. You have your wallet. So it's kind of like everything app for DeFi. But yeah, give it a try.